MNRB is Malaysia's national reinsurance company with an Islamic insurance or takaful arm. In 2023, the reinsurance business accounted for about 60% of the group's premiums. The takaful operations accounted for 38%. There are currently 8 besar Malaysia insurance companies with total assets ranging from 1 billion to 25 billion and market cap ranging from 0.1 billion to 5 billion. MNRB ranked in the middle in terms of both of these metrics. Revenue came from premiums, dividends, and investment income. Over the past 12 years, premiums accounted for 82% of the revenue for the sector. Revenue for the sector and MNRB showed uptrends. Compared to the sector median, MNRB's total revenue was much bigger. Despite the growth in revenue, the sector and MNRB experienced declining returns. MNRB even experienced a negative return in 2016 due to an anomaly high claims and one-off adjustments. But it bounced back in the following year. Nevertheless, MNRB returns were lower than the sector median. I look at two key metrics here, underwriting margin and claims ratio. The besar insurance companies incurred negative margins most of the time. The claims ratio is a measure of how much of the premium income is used to cover claims. You can see that MNRB had a higher claims ratio compared to the sector. The investment yield measures the total return generated from the investment portfolio relative to the total invested assets. The investment income ratio measures the relationship between the investment income and the premiums earned. You can see that MNRB underperformed for both metrics. Float represents the funds provided by policyholders that are temporarily held by the insurers. Warren Buffett uses the float to make significant investments in various businesses. According to him, it is the engine that has propelled Berkshire Hathaway expansion. Looking at the performance of the various metrics, I would conclude that the besar insurance company do not fully exploit their float. I would rate MNRB's performance as below average relative to the sector based on the various metrics shown here. MNRB did not perform well relative to its peers. It has poor operating results with no improving trends. The only margin of safety is from the asset value. It is a value trap. For details, read the article. Thank you.